Yes, we have more stuff going on with Nike once again. So it's been a couple of months. We cannot take a break. And some more Nike products are getting restricted, and it looks like it's for everybody. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is talk a little bit about that. Really talk a little bit about what's going on, and oh, I've been affected as well, and oh, I'm going to be affected as well, because it looks like this time it's really for everybody, right? And I'm not sure about that, but we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss a little bit about that, because it's still the first few hours of this happening as I'm showing this video. Now, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube on this channel. So if you're new, subscribe and like this video so you get recommended. I'm sorry, I should have drank some water, but like you get recommended more videos. All right. So what's going on right now? And before we actually start, I just want you guys to know. And I actually check um, this, because like you guys may think that I'm not affected, but I'm affected, and at the same time I'm not affected, because just yesterday, and this rotates, it's not the same thing every single day, but just yesterday, 73.93% of my sales were Nike products. Okay, and so yes, if something happens with Nike, of course I'm going to be affected, but at the same time, I'm not going to be affected. Why? Because it's something that I told you a lot in the past, in a lot of videos, and this is something that I say over and over again. It's fine to be deep into one category, one thing, one specific thing. The only thing is that, because like if there's a great opportunity, you should go in it 100%. Okay, you should go in it 100% as long as you can make money, because this thing is limited. It's not going to be available all the time. Okay, so you should be going all in when you see an opportunity. Now, it's not because you see an opportunity and you are going all in when it comes to sourcing that you should that you should stop sourcing. This is why I always said you always need to have more leads that you actually need. Because right now, if I need to shift my spending with online arbitrage, and I'm working toward wholesale as well right now, because I want to have the opportunity to be able to switch with wholesale as well. But like the whole thing is, you want to be able to you need to have the ability to shift your spending towards different leads if you need to. Okay, if things get restricted, if something gets restricted, you should be able to shift your course really fast. Okay, you should not it should not take you like 2 months, 3 months to be able to reestablish your course, right? And this is something that is really important. This is something that I've talked about a lot in videos. And like, if eventually I actually need to switch to redirect how I'm running my business, it's literally going to take one day. I can shift my spending super fast because I have a ton of different leads. And like, yes, I'm 73.93% Nike as of yesterday, but like, I'm telling you, like, this is not because it was the case yesterday. That's the case all the time. Nike is a great opportunity. Sometimes I find a lot of Nike stuff. Sometimes I don't. Okay, and to talk about the restriction and everything that is going on right now, because this is the heart of the subject, right? So right now, from what it seems, it looks like it's just affecting a few Nike socks listings. So I can still sell Nike personally. Most people that I actually talked to and most people that are in my group can still sell Nike. It's just some Nike socks listings that are getting restricted. And it could be two things, okay? It could be a bug, which I doubt a little bit, and I'm going to tell you what I think it is right now. What I think it is Amazon taking, not taking steps, but taking, yeah, pretty much taking some measures so they can regulate the market when it comes to specific product. Because whenever there's a sale on Nike products, okay, on Nike socks at the place where you can actually buy them, whenever it's going on, and it was going on last week. I don't know if it's still going on right now, because I haven't been buying any lately. And like, not going to tell you, Nike socks is something that I was super deep into last year. Nike socks are extremely profitable. Okay, Nike socks are really, really profitable. You can sell them fast. You can make a lot of money with them. People that are telling you otherwise either don't know what they are talking about, or are just, I don't know, jealous of people that run their business this way, because some gurus actually run their business this way, okay? And like, it's a totally valid business model, okay? Nike socks are hugely profitable. You can make a ton of money with Nike socks, okay? Point blank. That's it. You can actually make a lot of money. And if people are telling you otherwise, they just don't know. I'm telling you, they just don't know and they just talk shit. They just talk shit to talk shit, right? So you can still make money with Nike socks today because those listings are still open. Some listings may be closed, as I said. And I actually checked on my account. Like I can still sell everything Nike. Um, just Nike socks, some listings are getting restricted. That's it. And as I said, we need to see what is going to happen with those listings. And it looks a little bit, what it looks like a little bit, because to be honest, I think that if Amazon was going to jump back on Nike products, it would be Nike socks first, I think, because this is the easiest thing. And those listings that are restricted, this is one of the possibilities, one of the things that could be going on. Those listings that are restricted could be, it could be that it's just a thing that Amazon are going to sell on exclusively. No, this is one thing that it could be, and this is not something to be scared of, because at the end of the day, you still have some other listings that you can actually jump on, and there's a ton of other products that you can sell, whether it is Nike or not Nike. There's a ton of other products that you can make money on with Nike, and there's a ton of other products on Amazon that you can actually make money on. But like this should actually, and I hope that it makes you realize, because I'm not going to lie, even with people that are in my group coaching, with a few people that are in my group coaching, I give them the loop for Nike socks. Okay, I gave them the loop, and this is not something that I do anymore. Like, I think I did it for one of the last group that I took, not the last group, but like the one before the last group was the last group that I actually shared this loop with. And the issue is that I've told people, like, this is one loop, this is an easy way to make money, and you should go deep into that as long as you are able to make money with that. It's an easy money maker. It does not mean that it is the only thing that you should do, and you should absolutely develop a strategy to find leads daily and consistently with online arbitrage, okay? And this is something that a lot of people actually did not do, because we work on stuff every single week to develop a strategy to be able to find leads every single day. And the people that actually did not put in work to do that, and this is something that we talk about every single week, it's something that we talk about every single week and that we try to develop every single week. The people that actually did not do that are going to be in trouble, and this is going to be a big lesson. You should never, because this is something that I say from the beginning whenever I share a loop. It's not because I shared this loop with you that, yes, you're going to be able to make a lot of money with it, but you should not stop there, okay? You should, even if you're not buying stuff, you should be sourcing daily to find more leads and expand your lead bank and expand your knowledge of what is actually profitable on Amazon. That's it, and you should do it every single day. Every single day you should have a few new leads, you should have a better understanding of what's selling, because if you need to shift your spending, because if right now, like, let's say the Nike socks are 100% of your spending, you're going to need to shift your spending one day or another, okay? And it's starting to rain, let me move my laptop, here we go. You are going to need to do it. There's no other choice. At one point, like, nothing is going to last forever, especially on Amazon. Things are not going to last forever, or the sales cycle may change and you may not be able to actually get this profitably, So yeah, you should absolutely source every day, even if you have like a really big loop. It does not mean that you should stop working. You should source every single day, and when you source every single day, good things are going to happen, because eventually you're going to be on deep shit. If you just rely on one thing, you can't just rely on one product and go deep into one category of product, as long as you keep sourcing others, because you should, even if you have something that is good, you should always strive to find something better. Because, like, I'm going to tell you, Nike socks are good, but like the return on investment that you're going to get is like 35 to 40% return on investment. Okay, sometimes a little bit over 40% return on investment, which is not bad. But you can always find better. And like yes, it's going to simplify your business if you just buy this, but like you should keep sourcing to find something better, to make more money, to make your money go further. So yeah, this is how you should run your business. And if you didn't, and right now you can still make a lot of money with Nike socks. It's not the issue. It's not the issue at all. But yeah, so hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, all that YouTube stuff. Don't be too stressed about that situation. It's nothing major. Worst case scenario, you just stop selling Nike products, and you can see that I'm not stressed about it. I'm literally, like, as I told you, I'm literally 73.93% into Nike. Like yesterday, 73.93% of my sales were for items for the brand Nike, and it's not Nike socks. It was none of them were Nike socks. But like, if somebody, I'm sorry, should be stressed about the situation, it should be me. And I'm not. Why? Because I've been putting in the work, and I know that if I need to shift my spending, I have no issues shifting my spending. It's not that big of a deal, all right? And once again, yes, sometimes I'm deep in Nike, sometimes I'm not. It really depends, all right? So, yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, thank you. If it was, if it was not, that's fine. I'll see you tomorrow.